y'all, so I got this Inspireyes for in-flight. This part straps around the back of the seat. My head always falls, so this will be great to hold it to that headrest on the back of your flight seats. And then this is like a really strong Velcro that once this is intact, you can put these over your eyes. They're very comfortable, and you can lay forward in this and you're not gonna fall forward. I'm really excited to use this. We're going on a trip next week and I can't wait to try it out.